In today's video, we're going to demonstrate the battery replacement for a TSRT880 880 radar monitor. To go ahead and get started, there's going to be 5 Phillips screws on the top of the unit. So you want to go ahead and remove those with a Phillips bit. And of course, gently pull upward and break the seal and lift off the cover. So inside of the unit, you'll see the lithium battery pack there. Right below, and what you need to do is you'll gently pull up on the PCB board. This will allow you enough room to disconnect the wire harness and remove the battery. Of course, go ahead and replace the battery, so we'll reinsert that. Reconnect the wire harness and then slide the PCB board back down into the slot. All right, we'll go ahead and re-secure the cover. One thing to note is the notch. I want to line that up with the notch on the side of the unit, and then go ahead and press down firmly. You should hear a little pop. You want to make sure that the seal seals well, so apply downward pressure to the cover as you tighten up the screws, and you should be good to go.